I'm so excited to have you join us today. I have a great friend named Emily that's with us. Hey, Emily.
Hi, Rebecca. Thanks so much for having me today.
So Emily is a great resource in our community, and I just couldn't go any longer without telling you about her. So she works for a company called Ready Nest Counseling. So some people go, okay, seeing a counselor, who really cares? But they're very different and very unique. So Emily, could you take a minute, tell us what is different about readiness counseling from maybe a marriage and family therapist I just found online?
Thanks so much, Rebecca. I really appreciate this time today to share with y'all that readiness counseling really is different. All of our counselors here are specially trained in perinatal mental health. That's a fancy word for before, during, and after childbirth. So we serve the population, individuals or couples, in prenatal, postpartum, infertility, or loss. That includes a traumatic birth. It includes postpartum depression or anxiety. It includes feeling a little anxious during a pregnancy and not knowing what to expect. It also includes helping couples just prepare for, are we ready to be parents? Are we ready to start a family? Is now a good time in our relationship to start a family? And so as I founded Readiness Counseling, it was really based on how I experienced becoming a mother and what that was like for my own relationships, my own bonding with my baby. And that's something we want to pass on to all the families in our community.
Wow, that is really different. Now, are you licensed? Are you a therapist? Like, what kind of credentials do you have, and how did you get into this?
I am. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist, so I definitely paid my dues of doing all the grad school homework. I graduated from Lipscomb University with my master's in marriage and family therapy. I went on to receive my certification in perinatal mental health, and so that required not only additional training, but an exam at the end of that training to be able to certify that I know what I'm talking about. I've also gone on to have my staff be trained in perinatal mental health as well.
If I don't want counseling, I know that Readiness actually offers quite a few other options if I feel like, one-on-one counseling is probably not for me and I'm looking for something else. So what else do you offer for that kind of client?
Absolutely. I'm so glad you brought that up, Rebecca, because counseling may not be for you, and that's okay. We're not here to shove you into one box. We're here to help you. So sometimes that is even referring you to someone else, a lactation consultant, a doula, a postpartum doula, who maybe you just need help in your own home. But we do have other resources within Readiness Counseling that include a free support group. So we have free online virtual support groups, one for loss and one for new moms. And our new moms group is awesome, guys. This is not just your regular, like, I might need a new mom friend kind of group. There's guest speakers. It's totally free. You show up online. I would invite you to just come and observe if you're not sure if this is a group for you or not. And there's going to be tips and tricks, and it's completely non-biased and totally supportive of just you growing into your role as a new mom. We're also really excited to launch what we're calling Ready Nest Online. This is going to be a place where you can, anywhere in the country, learn some self-care, some tips regarding wherever you are in your own life phase. So I like to say it's cheaper than therapy, but better than self-help, where you're getting the benefits of listening and learning from our readiness counselors who are experts and trained in this field. However, you're not necessarily committing to week or even every month or having to sit in one-on-one. You may just need a little help along the way, maybe some mom hacks that are going to help you really benefit and make the most of this season of your life.
That's awesome. Makes me want to jump on right away and kind of see what's there for me. So that's neat. Thank you for thinking of people not just needing one-on-one counseling, but having an option for other things, especially during COVID, where we feel all alone and these moms want to get together but don't know what to do. Or this is what I've run into, many moms who are new moms and they don't feel like getting out, but they feel lonely. And postpartum time especially is a lonely time. And so to have that option, I think is going to be amazing. So here's my question, Emily. Where do they go to find this information? How do they find you?
Yes, so you can find all of our information at our website, readynestcounseling.com. And if you want to go directly to the online resource, you can either use the link on our website or just type in readynestonline.com. We also have a very engaged and active social media. I would invite you to follow us on Instagram, just at Ready Nest Counseling. And we want that to be just an ongoing free resource so people can just look on their phone and get a little encouragement and not feel alone throughout the day.
I love all these options for moms, and I'm grateful you guys would make it. So all you guys out there watching this video, take a moment and go to Ready Nest and find out what they have that's there for you. Thank you for joining us today, Emily.
Thank you so much.